When you're ready to bring the gym's versatility and strength training capacity into your own home, the SunHome Multifunction Home Gym system with Smith machine and 138-pound selectized weight stack makes a compelling case. From its sturdy steel frame to the breadth of exercises it accommodates, this machine aims to deliver an all-in-one solution for anyone from the weekend warrior to the dedicated fitness enthusiast. After spending weeks assessing its design, functionality, and real-world performance, here's an in-depth look at what the SunHome station has to offer and where it might leave you wanting more. Right off the bat, the SunHome system impresses with its new upgraded design that fuses a traditional home gym station with a full Smith machine. The result is a single footprint that houses a Smith bar, high and low pulleys, a pull-up station, a leg press, and a dedicated station for chest flies, lat pull-downs, seated rows, AB crunches, and more. Where many home gyms settle for a compromise giving you an array of cable attachments but no guided barbell track, or vice versa, SunHome's hybrid approach feels genuinely comprehensive. If you've hesitated in the past because you weren't sure whether to prioritize cable versatility or barbell stability, this machine neatly sidesteps that dilemma. Construction quality is the bedrock of any home gym purchase, and here SunHome leans into heavy-duty steel tubing that feels robust under load. Every upright, every cross brace, every pulley housing speaks to a frame built for daily use. The 138-pound selectized weight stack is shielded by steel guard rods, and swapping resistance is as simple as pulling out a pin and inserting it into your chosen weight block. A non-slip rubberized foot pad at each corner keeps the entire unit planted, even when you're powering through heavy presses or explosive pull-ups. Of course, no home gym station is without its quirks. Assembly can be time-consuming. Expect to spend 3 to 5 hours unpacking 6 boxes, sorting hardware, and methodically following the manual. While many buyers report that the instructions are clear overall, a handful lamented ambiguous diagrams or mislabeled parts. I found that having an extra set of hands and pre-assembling subcomponents on the floor before final erection dramatically cut down frustration. If you're short on patience or tools, factor in the cost of enlisting a handy friend or even a professional assembler. Once set up, however, the SunHome station truly shines. Resistance feels smooth and linear, thanks to sealed bearings in each pulley. I ran my weight stack through daily use circuiting between squats, presses, rows, curls, and leg work and never felt a hint of wobble or binding. The Smith bar glided effortlessly along its rails, and the dual-action arms moved firmly without play. The machine's footprint, roughly 80L x 54W x 83H, requires a dedicated corner or garage bay. While not the smallest system on the market, its multifunctionality more than justifies the space. A few specific user-reported caveats bear mentioning. Tall lifters, 6'2" and above, may find the Smith bar hits the stop pins before reaching a full bottom squat, so you may need to set up platforms or blocks for proper depth. Cable length limitations on the pulleys can hamper some exercises if you're using both high and low attachments simultaneously, but chain extenders, often included, or simply changing your stance usually solves the issue. The pull-up bar's front grips, while initially comfortable, might wear down over time. Some buyers swap to bare metal with athletic tape for greater durability. Cost-wise, at a list price of $1,099, often discounted with coupons or promotions, the station sits above entry-level home gyms but well below commercial-grade systems. Given its breadth of features, Smith machine, full cable station, leg press, pull-up bar, and more, it represents solid value, particularly if you'd otherwise need to buy separate modules or maintain a gym membership. Customers routinely rate its hardware quality on par with brands twice the price. A current average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars reflects general satisfaction with both build and function. In daily use, I seamlessly moved from chest presses with the dual-action arms to seated cable rows, AB crunches, preacher curls with a simple bench attachment, and leg extensions without stepping off the station. Supersets and drop sets are a breeze, and the seamless transition between cable and barbell movements keeps workouts fast-paced. Noise levels remain low, a blessing if you train in a home environment with close quarters. Even with heavier loads, the machine emits only soft clinks and a faint whir of pulleys. All told, the SunHome Multifunction Home Gym system is a robust, versatile, and space-efficient powerhouse. It won't quite match the feel of commercial free weight bars or hydraulic selectorized weight stacks, nor will it replace a full free weight rack if you're chasing maximal strength records. But for the vast majority of lifters seeking a complete, safe, and reliable home workout solution. It checks virtually every box. Assembly demands patience, and taller users may need minor tweaks for full range of motion, but once it's standing, you've effectively got a personal fitness club at your fingertips. Pros: sturdy, heavy-duty steel construction, true Smith machine, and selectorized weight stack in one. Wide range of exercises from squats to cable flies to preacher curls. Smooth, linear resistance with sealed bearing pulleys. Solid value for a multifunction system. Cons: lengthy, multi-box assembly with occasional unclear instructions. Slide cable slack at the ends of travel. Workaround required. Height restrictions for very tall users on Smith bar. Foam pull-up grips may wear over time. If you're building a home gym from scratch or upgrading an underpowered setup, the SunHome system deserves serious consideration. It brings commercial-style features into the home at a price point that undercuts many standalone Smith machines and cable towers. And with a 4.5-star average from real-world users, you can be confident that this machine holds up under regular use, making it a solid long-term investment in your fitness journey.